In the vast and ever-expanding universe of technology, a new age has dawned, the age of artificial intelligence. Within this realm, two celestial bodies shine brightly, PyTorch and TensorFlow. These are not your typical stars, composed of hydrogen and helium. They are titans of machine learning, forged in the crucible of complex algorithms and vast datasets. PyTorch and TensorFlow empower us to build intelligent machines that can translate languages, diagnose diseases, and even compose music. Their impact on our lives is profound, revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. But like any celestial bodies, PyTorch and TensorFlow possess unique properties and gravitational pulls. In this cosmic exploration, we will journey into the heart of PyTorch, unraveling its secrets and discovering why it's poised to become the dominant force in the future of machine learning. Developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, PyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework. It's like a cosmic toolbox, providing all the tools you need to build powerful AI models. At its core, PyTorch is based on tensors, multi-dimensional arrays that hold data. These tensors flow through computational graphs, much like celestial bodies moving through the fabric of space-time. Each node in the graph represents a mathematical operation, transforming the data as it passes through. This dynamic computational graph is one of PyTorch's defining features, allowing for incredible flexibility and control over model development. PyTorch also boasts a Pythonic and intuitive API. This makes it easy for researchers and developers to pick up and start building models, even if they're not experts in deep learning. One of PyTorch's most significant advantages over TensorFlow is its flexibility. PyTorch embraces a more imperative and Pythonic programming style. This means that you can define and modify your models dynamically, much like writing a standard Python program. In contrast, TensorFlow traditionally relied on a more declarative approach. This approach requires you to define the entire computational graph up front before running your model. While TensorFlow has made strides in improving its imperative capabilities, PyTorch remains the more natural choice for researchers and developers who value flexibility and experimentation. PyTorch's dynamic nature makes it easier to debug code, experiment with different model architectures, and implement complex research ideas. This flexibility is crucial in the rapidly evolving field of machine learning, where new discoveries and advancements are made constantly. Imagine navigating through the vast expanse of space, searching for a single elusive anomaly. Debugging machine learning models can feel just as daunting. But fear not, for PyTorch comes equipped with powerful tools to illuminate the darkest corners of your code. PyTorch's dynamic computational graph allows you to use standard Python debugging tools. This means you can set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through your code line by line, just like any other Python program. This ability to debug models interactively is invaluable during development. It helps you pinpoint errors quickly, understand how data flows through your model, and gain deeper insights into its inner workings. So embrace the power of PyTorch's debugging capabilities and banish those pesky bugs to the far reaches of the cosmos where they belong. Section 5: Community and Resources. In the vast expanse of the machine learning universe, you don't have to journey alone. PyTorch boasts a thriving and supportive community of researchers, developers, and enthusiasts. This vibrant community is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering a wealth of resources, tutorials, and pre-trained models to help you on your machine learning adventures. Online forums and discussion boards buzz with activity. Experienced practitioners and eager learners alike share their insights, answer questions, and collaborate on exciting new projects. This spirit of collaboration and knowledge sharing is one of the hallmarks of the PyTorch community. So whether you're just starting your journey in machine learning or you're a seasoned veteran, the PyTorch community welcomes you with open arms and a shared passion for pushing the boundaries of AI. Section 6: PyTorch in Action Image Recognition. Prepare to be amazed as we witness PyTorch's prowess in the realm of image recognition. This field, once the exclusive domain of human perception, has been revolutionized by deep learning models powered by PyTorch. Imagine a world where computers can identify objects, scenes, and even emotions in images with remarkable accuracy.
PyTorch makes this possible with its powerful image processing libraries and pre-trained models like ResNet, AlexNet, and VGG. These models, trained on massive datasets of images, have learned to recognize intricate patterns and features that elude the human eye. They can be fine-tuned for specific tasks such as medical image analysis, self-driving cars, and facial recognition.
PyTorch's flexibility and ease of use make it the ideal framework for building cutting-edge image recognition applications. So, open your eyes to the possibilities and let PyTorch be your guide in this exciting frontier of AI. Section 7. PyTorch in Action, Natural Language Processing. Language, the cornerstone of human communication, is no longer a mystery to machines. PyTorch has emerged as a driving force in the field of natural language processing, enabling us to build AI models that can understand, interpret, and even generate human language with astonishing fluency.
Imagine a world where machines can translate languages seamlessly, summarize complex documents in an instant, and even compose poetry that rivals the works of human poets. PyTorch makes this possible with its powerful NLP libraries and pre-trained models like BERT, GPT-3, and Roberta.
These models, trained on massive datasets of text and code, have learned to grasp the nuances of human language, capturing its subtle meanings and intricate grammatical structures. They can be fine-tuned for specific NLP tasks, such as sentiment analysis, chatbot development, and machine translation.
PyTorch's flexibility and ease of use make it the ideal framework for building state-of-the-art NLP applications. So, let PyTorch be your guide as you explore the fascinating world of language and unlock the secrets of human communication.
Section 8. The Future of Machine Learning with PyTorch. As we gaze into the future of machine learning, one thing is clear. PyTorch is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping this exciting frontier. Its flexibility, ease of use, and strong community support make it the ideal framework for both research and production.
Researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries of AI, exploring new model architectures and training paradigms. PyTorch's dynamic computational graph and intuitive API empower them to experiment freely and bring their innovative ideas to life.
In the realm of production, PyTorch is gaining traction as the go-to framework for deploying machine learning models at scale. Its robust ecosystem of tools and libraries simplifies the process of deploying models to various platforms, from edge devices to cloud servers. Section 9. Expert Opinions on PyTorch. Don't just take my word for it. Leading experts in the field of machine learning have also recognized PyTorch's exceptional capabilities.
Yann LeCun, Facebook's chief AI scientist and a Turing Award winner, has praised PyTorch for its flexibility and ease of use, stating that it has become the go-to framework for research in deep learning.
Andrej Karpathy, former director of AI at Tesla and a prominent figure in the machine learning community, has also lauded PyTorch, highlighting its intuitive API and dynamic computational graph as key factors in its widespread adoption.
These endorsements from industry leaders underscore PyTorch's significance in the world of machine learning and solidify its position as a leading framework for the foreseeable future. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the future of machine learning. As we conclude our cosmic exploration of PyTorch, one thing is abundantly clear. This powerful and versatile framework is shaping the future of machine learning. Its flexibility, ease of use, and strong community support have made it the go-to choice for researchers and developers alike. From image recognition to natural language processing, PyTorch is powering groundbreaking advancements in AI across various domains. Its intuitive API and dynamic computational graph allow for seamless experimentation and rapid prototyping, enabling us to push the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. As we venture further into the uncharted territories of machine learning, PyTorch will undoubtedly serve as our guiding star, illuminating the path toward a future where intelligent machines augment human capabilities and unlock unprecedented possibilities. So, let us embrace the power of PyTorch and embark on this exciting journey together.